guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to be reviewing the Black Opal True Color Stick Foundation, and I'm just going to talk about it a little bit. I bought this from Walmart and the cost was about $9.99, I believe. So you won't be spending more than $10 on this, depending on where you purchase it from. I did get mine from Walmart, and it comes in a variety of shades. It comes in 16 colors. I have the shade Beautiful Bronze, and this color, I believe it fits because I have tried it on before. It fits my skin tone. It's not really off by much. I would say this foundation does have a warm undertone, and you guys will see that once I put it on. And the benefits of this foundation, which you can read all about it at blackopalbeauty.com. The benefits is it has a true to tone match, meaning that it is formulated to, if this is your shade, it's formulated to fit your skin. It also has a long wear formula, meaning you can wear this foundation for a long time. And ladies, we love having foundation that we can wear for a long time. It is fragrance free, and it is free of parabens, and it is full coverage. And also it is formulated with sunscreen, vitamin E and vitamin C, condition and nourish the skin. And it is also available in 16 shades, like I said before. And it being available in 16 shades is so important because as a woman of color, we all know the struggle. It's hard to find a shade that, you know, fits you. So I'm sure in between those 16 shades, you'll find something that either fits you or is close to fitting you. So I'm just going to hop right into it. And then the website suggests that you use a sponge, so I'm using my Real Technique. What is that? I'm using my Real Technique sponge to blend this out. And then I might just go back over it with a brush. But according to the website, it is best to use a sponge when using this formulated foundation. I always go back and blend it out. So you guys, this is what one layer looks like. I can still see a little bit of my, you know, scars or acne marks through the foundation. And I would say if this type of look isn't for you, you want more of a even full coverage than this, I think you can go back. You can always go back with the foundation or with the stick and apply another layer if that is not enough coverage for you. Normally when I wear this, I always do about one layer and call it a day. Alrighty, so now that I have applied the foundation, I am going to just do my normal beauty applications. So I'm applying the LA Girl Pro Concealer. So you guys, I am walking down the street and we're just gonna test this out in natural light. I'm using my front camera, so it probably doesn't look the best, but you guys, this is how it looks in natural lighting. All right, you guys, so this is the finished look. I hope you guys have enjoyed my review of the Black Opal True Color Stick Foundation, and let me know your thoughts on this. Please leave your comments below, and please subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.